Assalamualaikum guys, it's Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be keeping well by the grace of Allah. Guys, today's video is related to acai bowl. In this video, I will show how to freeze your fruits and prepare the topping to make your own acai bowl. Guys, before we start our task, I would do a quick review of my last video that was based on acai bowl. What is it? In that video, we talk about acai bowl that usually we make with acai berries. But as we know that acai berries are not available all the time, instead of using acai berries juice or supplement, I prefer to prepare my acai bowl with blueberries. We talk about blueberries as well, and we know that after acai berries, blueberries are the great source of antioxidants and protect our body from free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage our cells. Blueberries also help us to fight against cancer. Guys, I won't keep it longer and come back to today's topic, which is how to prepare our own acai bowl at home in low cost. Guys, I will not only freeze blueberries, I will freeze other fruits as well, which will go with blueberries in acai bowl. Guys, as I told you that we have a acai bowl on regular basis, and here you can see a big frozen blueberry bucket. When fresh blueberries comes in the market, I pick good few buckets and freeze them, and whenever I want, I just take out all the fruits from the freezer and give myself treat. Guys, here I will start with fruits, then I will prepare topping. Here I will peel some fruits and slice them and show you how to freeze them. I will start with mango. I like mango. You can use peach or pear as well. They go with blueberries nicely, but I prefer to use mango because mango is low calories fruit but high in fiber and great source of vitamins, iron, calcium and zinc. Guys, as you can see, I used butter paper and I spread all the pieces separately, and I am going to put it in freezer. When they will be freezed, I will store them in a freezer bag. Now guys, here you can see I just kept this banana 2 days at my home. I need ripened banana. When I bought it was little bit hard, so I left it 2 days. So we need ripened banana in this dish. I will just peel it simply. See how easily it's coming. What we have to do, just big chunk. Believe me guys, at this time it seems that there is too much hassle, but once it's done, acai bowl would be ready in a few minutes and fill you up for much longer than an ordinary breakfast. I think I can do one more. But make sure that you have ripened banana. Now guys, we have chopped mango and banana, and here you can see I have raspberry, it's frozen, and here 4 season mixed fruits. In this you can see, I show you, see, this is strawberries, raspberries, and this is black currant, and blueberries. And guys, I already showed you the big bucket of frozen blueberries. Now it's a time to prepare toppings for our acai bowls. For topping, I will start with oat flakes, which gives the crunchiness in granola. Guys, here I am using just 2 tablespoons to show you. Otherwise, I roast in bulk and store in an airtight jar to make my acai bowl quickly. Now we will take nuts. Here you can take any nuts. You can see, and if you want more sugar, so you can use fruit and nuts, so you will get sweetness from the sultana. But I will get sweetness from banana, so I'm not using it. My husband, he loves pecan, So mostly I use pecan in baking and roasting. So just few pecans. You can see, because we have to control portion size as well. Now here comes almond. I love almonds because nuts are good for our health. It lubricates our bones. But here I will use just few almonds. Just see, 4 to 5 nuts. Now here comes seeds. I'm using pumpkin seed. Guys, you can use sunflower or sesame seed as well. It's totally depend on you. Due to portion size here, you can see I'm just using 1 tablespoon. Look, just small portion size. And this is my favorite, flax seeds. Guys, you can see here I'm using seed because I like crunchy nutty topping. But you can use flaxseed meals, which means powder as well. It's entirely up to you. Let's start roasting. I will roast nuts, seeds and oat flakes on low heat so they will not change their color, and I will get lightly roasted topping. Guys, I will start with oat flakes. You can pick nuts or seeds as well. I will give it 2 minutes to be roasted. Now it's time to roast pecan. So now I change the side. So from both sides it will be roasted, and it will take hardly 1 minute because nuts burn very easily. Now I will take them out. Now in the same way I will roast the almond, and I will keep changing the side, and it will take hardly 1 minute. In the same way I will roast pumpkin seed on low heat just for 1 minute. See, now they are crackling, that's mean it's ready. I will take them out. Now guys, in the same way I will roast flaxseed. Here if you are using flaxseed meal, that's mean powder, so it will take 30 seconds, but I'm using seeds, so I will roast them for 1 minute and then I will take it out. Now guys, everything is ready. Nuts and seeds are roasted, and oat flakes are roasted as well. Our fruits are in the freezer. It will take hardly 4 to 5 hours. I will come and show you how to prepare our acai bowl at home in a low cost. Now guys, it's a time to put everything in the mixing jug to blend and make fine puree. 100 gram frozen blueberries, 1 frozen banana, half frozen mango, 500 gram frozen raspberries, 500 gram 4 seasons berries. Guys, here you can see everything is frozen. We need some liquid to move it. So here we need plant-based milk. For this you can use soya milk. Try to get unsweetened, or you can use almond milk, but it should be unsweetened as well. So guys, if you are not familiar of plant-based milk, you can use unpasteurized goat milk. Goat milk is good as compared to cow's milk. Guys, here I am using 200 ml almond milk. Everything is gone in the grinding jar. Let's make puree. Now guys, puree is ready. Our topping is ready. Now it's time to give the final shape of our acai bowl. Guys, sometimes I use cacao super powder or dark chocolates. They are optional. It's entirely up to you. If you want to use it, you can use it. Otherwise, you can skip it. But today I am using dark chocolate, just 1 small piece. It enhances all the flavors and combines them together. Guys, this is our acai bowl. Who can say no to it? Look, every healthy ingredients are there. And guys, this is for little chumps. From childhood, we can develop their habits and taste bud as well for healthy eating. Here you can see I freeze the puree in different shapes and I added little bit cream. Instead of cream, you can add ice cream as well. What do you think? Do you gonna give it try for your little chump? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you will like it and give it try in your kitchen. If you try in your kitchen, please give me feedback. If you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new video. I will bring some more interesting recipes. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.